Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Samsung has recently showcased the latest iteration of its foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. And now it is time for another tech giant, Xiaomi. Though Xiaomi is yet to launch its Mix Fold 4, however, thanks to early official teasers, we finally got almost a complete look at the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. So let's get into it. Looking at the rear design of the handset, we can see a big rectangular shaped camera island with a slight curvature on its bottom edge. Similar to its predecessor, the Mix Fold 4 will have 4 camera sensors. Now, though Xiaomi has yet to confirm the camera details, but as per previous reports, there could be a 50 megapixel main, 10 megapixel periscope with 5 times optical zoom, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a telephoto sensor with 2 times optical zoom. Now, luckily the teaser also showcases the foldable display, and as we can see, instead of under display, Xiaomi will continue to offer punch hole style selfie camera given on the top left. One of the noticeable change that unlike the Mix Fold 3 which came with a flat looking frame, and also recently we saw Samsung move to a flatter frame on its Z Fold 6, Xiaomi decided to go with considerably rounded frame on its Mix Fold 4, something like the Honor's Magic V3. So, what do you think about the design language of the Mix Fold 4, especially when compared with the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Now, for the other details, the Mix Fold 4 will have a new hinge and made up of high-strength carbon fiber. So, as per the brand, it will have just 9.47mm thickness when folded and weighs just 226 grams. So, compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which has a thickness of 12.1mm and weighs 239 grams, the Mix Fold 4 will be lighter and considerably slimmer. In fact, it will weigh almost the same as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, the Mix Fold 4 is said to have an IPX8 water resistant and support for two-way satellite communication. Anyway, Xiaomi has just confirmed the Mix Fold 4 will launch on the 19th of July, so the wait is almost over, and we will most likely see the Redmi K70 Ultra and Xiaomi's first ever flip phone alongside it. By the way, we have already received some key details on the Xiaomi's first flip phone. To check it out, click here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.